Hi. Welcome to the Cooking with Matthew show. I'm Matthew. On today's show, we'll be cooking fajitas. Fajitas are a very healthy Mexican meal brought over by the Aztecs from Guadalajara. As you can see, I'm turning the vegetables. Before you tuned in today, we sliced these peppers using a very expensive knife which you couldn't afford. You'll just have to use the cheap ones you use at home. You peon bitches. As you can see, we're sauteing the peppers in a lovely sauce. Again, way too expensive for you to use. But we also have some wonderful chicken frosting in the microwave. Our lovely houseplates have also been whipped into submission to grate the cheese for us. And we will slaughter them this week. While these cook, I'm going to slice up some tomatoes. Right now I'm very angry with my husband. And so I'll just pretend this is his head or his penis. Now when you do tomatoes, make sure to dice them perfectly like this. If you don't do it evenly, God will kill all the kittens on the planet. Are we done?